Hi Tito, andito ako ngayon sa Tagaytay taking video of our lots as you requested. Where you can see now is an extension or actually an expansion of our existing subdivision. This is Sesame Street. Okay, just to give you an idea how the community looks. There, Sesame and Deal Street. This is actually our street, Deal. Okay, so meron ng property dito sa kanto niya. This is Deal Street, no? Ang lot natin. Your lot is located somewhere there. I will show you later. While my lot is somewhere over there. Okay, so to give you an idea about Sesame Street, can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Ayan, yung mga developments na. Okay. Oh, also, gusto ko makita mo ito. Ayan. Oh. Kilala mo yan? Bigay mo sa akin yan. Maraming salamat. Okay. So, this is the lower portion of Deal Street, the corner of which is Sesame. Okay. I'm going up now. So after this house, on the right is a vacant lot. Vacant lot that says Lot 7, Block 22. Okay? Dahil ang katabi niyan ay lot ko. Starting from this arrow, yan. Ito ang aking lot. There, lot 8, block 22. This is my property. Facing that, on the left side, ay meron na akong kapitbahay. Ayan, ang kanyang property. May kapitbahay na ako. Sa tapat naman ng aking property is lot 3, block 21. Itong property na lot na ito ay iyong kapitbahay. Dahil somewhere here naman is your property starting from this line. Okay? This is your property. Ito. This is your property. Lot 2, block 21. As you can see also, meron ka na rin kapitbahay. Ayan ang kanyang tsura. Sa tapat mo ay kapitbahay ko naman. Ayan ang kanyang bahay. Okay? Ito ang iyong kapitbahay. Yan ang iyong lote. Yan. That is your property. Okay? Now, over here ay kanto na. This is the upper portion of Deal Street. I am now in the corner, at the corner of Deal and Juniper Street, and this is Deal Street. Okay. Si Mrs. Martinez is located somewhere there. Yan. Nabigyan kita ng 360 degree view. Of what Juniper Street looks like. Okay, ito na yung kanto ng Deal, kapitbahay mo. Yan ang bahay, yan ang property mo. After that house, whereas my property lies somewhere there. There. Katabi ko itong property na ito. Hope you get a clear view. Meron din akong picture to be taken later.